Hey, it's gone. What the fuck?
Copper. Copper.
Hello. I know, sweetheart. I know, honey. Oh, you're...
Dinner is served.
Mr. Horse, are you coming to get some? Oh.
No.
You don't even love me. You just want my snacks.
Hey! Shoot you!
You are not behaving, so you need to lay down.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Reload.
Bree says you're mad. Are you mad?
That Meg does not give a crap.
Let me give her some love. Let me give her some love. Don't be jealous. Okay, all right.
Bullshit.
What is it?
You are about to fall off the couch. Wake up.
Yeah. Now what the fuck is that?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Oh, there's no top.
Give it.
Oh, Bonnie, come here.
Are you mad? Come here. Come.
He turned his head.
Come.
Get him, puppy. Oh! Take him home. Take him home. Good.
I said no, ma'am.
Kaiser. What are you doing?
Bill, how cool is Bill? Same haircut as his owner, same goatee.
What do you think, buddy?
That is so.
Vinny, I can see you. I can still see. Vinny.
Oh, shit. Hurry, in here. Drop it in here. There you go, good girl. She said
You know that I. You don't even love me. You just want my snacks.
The attitude she has. Ты хочешь?
What are you doing in the cup holder? You stuck? Cause you so fucking fat? Want me to throw it?
Wait for it.
Quit! Get away from me. We're not friends anymore.
Look at this. Looks like a fucking massacre. I'm so sick of you. Nike, look at me. What the fuck is your problem?
Who is that? What you think? Who is that? Hi, baby.
Oh my god! No way!
Take a picture. We're being haunted.
Oh my god!
Oh my god. What are you doing?
Hey, buddy. You're adopted?
Benji. Benji. Hey.
Hey, who was it? Hey, don't.
Oh my god, my Shayla.
It's too hot for you. I said it's too hot.
Do I look like a real boy, Papa?
Tucker, place.
Man, I'm walking to Wendy's, man. Look at this grilling ass dog I just ran into. What you think you're doing?
Hi.